Welcome back to Learn English Moments. Today, we're going to learn one of the most polite and natural ways to ask someone if they want to do something.
Yes, and that phrase is, would you like to? It's simple, polite, and used every day by native English speakers.
Let's dive in and see how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations.
First, let's understand the structure. We say, would you like to plus base verb.
For example, would you like to eat? Would you like to go? Would you like to try?
The verb after to must be in its base form. That means go, eat, try, join, not going, eating, or tried.
Let's compare two sentences. Do you want coffee? Versus, would you like to have some coffee?
The second one sounds much more polite and natural. All right, now let's look at a few different ways we use this in real conversations. I'll say a sentence and you try to guess the meaning.
Number 1. Would you like to come with us tonight?
That means, do you want to join us tonight? Number 2. Would you like to try the new restaurant? That means, are you interested in trying the new place to eat?
Number 3. Would you like to learn English with me?
Of course, the answer should be yes. Now let's talk about pronunciation. When native speakers talk fast, they often say, would you like to, as would you like to.
Say it with me slowly. Would you like to? Now, faster. Would you like to?
Now let's try it in some quick phrases. Would you like to join us? Would you like to come? Would you like to have some tea?
Time to practice. I'll say the start of the sentence. You complete it at home. Ready? Would you like to? Would you like to? Would you like to? Now let's try the full sentence. You answer, yes, I'd love to, or no thank you.
Would you like to watch a movie? Would you like to come to my house? Would you like to play a game?
Now let's talk about some common mistakes. Here's one. Wrong. Would you like to going? That's incorrect. It should be, would you like to go?
Another one. Wrong. Would you like eat? We're missing the to. Would you like to eat?
Always remember, would you like to plus base verb. That's the golden rule.
Now let's test your listening skills. I'll give you a sentence with a missing verb. Can you guess the correct one? Would you like to some juice? Would you like to later? Would you like to?
The answers are drink, join, and study. Did you get them all correct?
Now for the final challenge. I'll say a full sentence. You say it back with natural pronunciation. Would you like to try it? Would you like to come along? Would you like to go out tonight?
One more time, a little faster. Ready? Would you like to try it? Would you like to come along? Would you like to go out tonight?
Nice job! Now you sound more polite, more natural, and more confident.
Before we go, here's your speaking homework. Comment below with your own sentence using would you like to. We'll reply to some of our favorite ones.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
This is Learn English Moments, helping you speak better English one day at a time.
Both
Thanks for
see you next
watching.
time.